Welcome to day 19 of our May Reset Challenge. Woke up foggy? Body a little stiff, even though you slept 8 hours? This mobility flow is gentle, powerful, and totally beginner-friendly. Whether you're in a chair or on the floor, it's about showing up for your body without overthinking it. Let's hit the mat. Most people don't realize how much stress we hold in the neck until it starts to affect focus, posture, and energy. Let's change that. Sit or stand tall with your shoulders relaxed. Gently tilt your right ear toward your right shoulder. Hold for a few seconds, then slowly bring it back to center. Switch sides and repeat. Flow side to side, matching your breath to movement. You can feel a gentle release through the side of the neck, maybe even down the shoulder. I promise this will instantly reduce built-up tension and give your posture a lift, especially if you slept curled up. We've released the head, now let's reset the hands. They do more than you think. Tilt just 1 inch deeper, but without lifting your opposite shoulder. 5 seconds. Are you letting your breath drop into your belly or holding it in your chest? That just softened your upper tension. Now let's unlock your wrists. Your wrists are your anchors, typing, texting, lifting. Let's give them some love. Extend one arm out, palm up. Use the opposite hand to gently pull fingers back. Flip the palm down and repeat to stretch the opposite side. Switch hands after 30 seconds. You can feel a gentle tug along the forearm, maybe all the way to the elbow. This resets grip tension, improves circulation, and keeps your hands moving freely. I promise your fingers will feel lighter afterward. Tight wrists can actually contribute to neck and shoulder stiffness. Hold each angle for 5 more seconds. Don't rush. Do your fingers feel warm or awake yet? That just refreshed your wrists. Now let's lift the chest. Sitting, scrolling, and stress all collapse your chest. This is the antidote. Sit or stand tall, interlace your hands behind your back, or grab opposite elbows. Gently pull your hands down as you lift your chest and soften your ribs. Breathe slowly into the front of your body. You're going to feel a stretch across the chest, shoulders drawing back, ribcage rising. I promise opening the chest reverses tech posture and makes breathing deeper and easier all day. Next, we'll go deeper into the hips, but this move makes that possible. Can you press your knuckles 1 inch lower? Try it. Hold for 5. Are you forcing your arms or lifting your chest? That just opened the front chain. Now let's dig into the hips. Tight hips don't just limit movement, they zap energy. Let's free that up. Sit on the floor or chair, knees bent, feet flat. Drop your right knee towards your left foot. Pause, then come back to center. Drop your left knee towards your right foot. Repeat slowly for 1 full minute, alternating side to side like windshield wipers. You can feel deep opening in the inner and outer hips and a gentle stretch near the joint capsule. This move improves joint health and restores natural hip rotation. I promise it's one of the most overlooked keys to mobility. Internal hip rotation is a foundational part of walking, squatting, and even standing upright. Drop your knees a bit lower. Breathe through the hold. 5 seconds. Are your glutes lifting or are your hips staying grounded? That just woke up your hips. Now we fine-tune the spine. We finish with the twist, literally. This realigns your spine and releases deep tension. Sit tall with feet planted or legs crossed. Place your right hand behind you and left hand on your right knee. Inhale tall. Exhale, twist gently to the right. Switch sides and keep alternating. You can feel a gentle stretch through the spine, belly, and lower back. Spinal rotation is a natural movement we rarely train. I promise this twist will leave your core and posture feeling reset. Can you grow taller on the inhale and twist a little more on the exhale. Last 5 seconds. Are you twisting from your belly or forcing from your arms? That just centers your spine, top to bottom. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. It's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. It's the same rhythm, but deeper, with daily support, weekly themes, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.